Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve TikTok call weak signal. Try moving to a different spot. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on aeroplane mode. Just few seconds. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Check internet connection on your phone. Tap on hold TikTok. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search TikTok. Update TikTok app if available Play Store. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.